Hey everyone, just wanted to do a quick little confidence boost. I have been feeling, I did one a couple of days ago about the way that narcissists and those people who want to control us, how they use their manipulation techniques to basically make us feel less than, make us feel worthless, make us feel underrated and devalued within ourselves, within our being. So sort of thought maybe just doing one, about being confident, about owning our lives, about owning our innate ability to think and stand our ground and know what we want and love and be open So just a little bit about confidence. Okay, so shimmy shimmy, running that meridian, run that central meridian, run that central. Hold those emotional stress release points. Interesting, today my right one is going first, so that's the Gestalt side of the brain. What's yours doing? Okay, they're even now. So I often hold them until they pulse evenly in underneath the fingertips. So it's not a hard press, it's just nice and light. Anti-clockwise over the heart. That switching that helps with left, right, up, down, front, back connections in the brain. It really helps those neurons to start firing. Okay, I am confident. I am confident in all of life's situations. I am confident I can think on my feet. Okay, so how does confidence make you feel? Does it make you feel good? Or does it somehow make you feel like people are going to abuse or utilize things in you? Some confident people, some powerful people, some people who are always in control, they're also the people who get used and abused because they're those people who can do lots of stuff. So interesting, I've got a bit of resentment in there around confidence. I wonder what that's about. So let's flip it on its head. I release any and all guilt around feeling confident. I release any and all fear around feeling confident. I release all energetic attachments stopping me from feeling confident. Okay. So energetic attachments, part of the way that we can feel them is close your eyes and just feel anywhere at the moment within your body. So just feel your body. Is there anywhere that feels tight? Is there anywhere that has any weird little tingling sensations or sharp energies? I've sort of got something like in behind my shoulder blade, sort of in behind, which I suppose, now that I think about it, that's sort of potentially between the shoulder blades. There's a muscle that connects in there called the rhomboid muscles, and rhomboids are about internalized rage, anger, frustration. Rhomboids are a liver energy, and liver is about anger and frustration. So, interesting. Okay, anywhere else? My shoulders are a bit tight. And especially at the top of the shoulders, gallbladder again. There's a spot that massage therapists often get into at the top of the shoulders. They'll often give it a good little push. I've been known to do it on occasions. And it's a gallbladder point. And gallbladder again, about frustration and anger. And the other place that I sort of felt a minute ago was at the ball of my foot. And any of you have had reflexology, the ball of the foot can be about lung energy or kidney energy. Feels probably lung energy to me. So lung, grief, guilt, regret. So this is the lung meridian, down to the thumb, releasing any and all grief, guilt, regret. Releasing any and all grief, guilt, regret around a lack of confidence. I choose to be a confident human being. I release any and all grief, guilt, regret from the past about confidence. I choose to be a confident, dynamic human being. Oh, still something in there. Escape, submission, freeze. I am anxiety-free around feeling confident. I am worry-free around being confident. I deal with all situations feeling confident and happy. I deal with all situations feeling confident and happy. Okay, being confident is no longer a stress for me. Being confident is no longer a stress for me. Hold those ESRs. At any time you breathe out loud, just expel that negativity. Breathe in. Just imagine the negativity of your cells just shooting out as you expel that nice deep breath. My soul feels confident. My mind feels confident. My inner child feels confident. Confidence brings me freedom. Confidence brings me choice. Confidence brings me peace. Escape. Interesting. Breathe and expel. Breathe and expel, allowing all that negativity to be released into the ether, to be released into that outer layer of your aura, of your energies. Confidence, so brow chakra and heart chakra. Okay, so hand on the heart, hand on the brow. Okay, so brow is about forward thinking. It's about problem solving. It's about seeing solutions. It's about big picture. It's about finding your way in the world without your soul being damaged. And heart energy is self-love, self-worth, self-confidence, self-belief. So just get those two little guys to connect. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Okay, that's clear. Fantastic. Love your work. And let's go. 999, 999, 999. Raise that vibration. 999, 999, 999. Release all the negativity from the day. 999, 999, 999. Don't allow the evil negativity to stick. 999, 999, 999. You are better than this. 999, 999, 999. You are confident and creative. 999, 999, 999. You are loved, you are loving, you are lovable. 999, 999, 999. I love you, I appreciate you. Have a fantastic night. Bye.